sais par où qu'il faut que je passe.
Oh, we have a problem.
Something serious?
Huh. Maybe it's true that machines will surpass us. But not today. The route determined by the algorithm goes over a chasm.
I can repeat the command.
No. Go around.
Unfortunately, this is an outdated model. Such mistakes are inevitable. But the perception module itself has already been greatly improved. Its accuracy increases exponentially.
Exponentially? Can you imagine us, proteinaceous creatures, developing so quickly?
No, not in the course of evolution. You can't perfect a person like that.
That's right, you can't. We wait thousands of years for visible changes.
Have you started to fear for your position?
Well, everything indicates that the clear distinction between humans and robots will soon disappear.
And then what?
We won't be limited by our own abilities. Robots will excel in areas where we either cannot or do not want to surpass them. To put it bluntly, they will do the dirty work for us.
And we'll just sit in the warm privacy of a laboratory? Send them to the other side of the universe?
Yeah, that's one example.
Well, I don't know.
Shh, Astrogator. Can you...
Durant les recherches pour trouver Groski, Yasna utilise un détecteur de métal afin de localiser les structures souterraines. Le vaisseau d'atterrissage revient vers le Dragonfly avec Artie et les membres de l'équipage en sécurité à son bord. Yasna discute du futur de la cybernétique avec Novik. Il voit dans les systèmes autonomes une opportunité de développement et de prospérité. Les robots deviennent graduellement des partenaires des humains. Mais du coup, je me demande si on aurait pu sauver Artie en arrivant plus tôt.
hear that?
What am I supposed to be hearing?
That's the point. Nothing. Silence. We're talking about robots, and Dr. Gorski still hasn't spoken on the channel.
Well, I don't know. He must be a long way from here.
Des artefacts graphiques un peu étonnants.
Dr. Gorski, are you here somewhere? These bushes are kind of weird.
You better stay away, Doctor. I'd like a brief description. Just keep a distance.
Allow me to use the language I would use to describe living forms, sir.
Of course.
So they look like pituitary, brush-like formations. They grow out of cracks in the bare rock. They can be singular, though in some locations they create a uniform thicket that covers the walls of the ravine in a rusty brush-like layer. They're high, more or less, from 1 to several meters. That's how it looks, to put it briefly.
Would you also venture to guess their significance? Some function, purpose?
Staying on the topic of biological analogies, which in itself is already a major scientific distortion.
Yes, I understand. These are not real plants.
But if they were plants, those protruding parts climbing up, they would serve to obtain energy, mainly solar. Astrogator, Gorski's not here. I'm afraid he continued to explore. And if he went where I think he did, he might have lost contact with the camp as well as Dragonfly.
So we will most likely lose contact too.
Possibly. Well, there's only one way to be certain. It's your decision, sir.
Please continue your search. We have to find him.
That's the unwritten rule, isn't it? Under no circumstances do we leave anyone behind.
That's right, Doctor. You can lose everything else, but you have to have the crew on board. The living and the dead. This is one of the most crucial imperatives, even though it's not in the record. Thank God.
The line's breaking up, but I understood. I'll let you know, sir, when I come out of the tunnel.
C'est vrai qu'on devait éviter le contact.
Already at 12,000. Throttle down. 30 seconds till touchdown. Everything's looking good. Over?
Roger that.
Pourquoi on y allait du coup au final?
All systems work.
Altitude 5,000. Emission 10%. I record data dropout, but otherwise still looking good. Entering final descent. 30 seconds.
Copy. Entering final. Hopper has landed. I repeat, Hopper has landed. Astrogator, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. Any side effects? Landing wasn't too hard on you?
All good? Spine still in one piece. No signs of overstrain. Not even shortness of breath.
Perfect. Hopefully the hike to camp goes just as smoothly.
I'm going outside.
Visibility?
100%. The dust has already settled. I've located the second lander. Our people are still on this planet.
Ah, very good. I was afraid they might try to fly off, which wouldn't be the best idea given the loss of communication with Dragonfly.
Sir, something's wrong.
What is it?
The hatch is half open. Did they report hydraulics failure?
How should I know? You were the last person in contact with the crew, Doctor.
Right. I'm inside.
And? How is it?
For now, we have to assume that we are left with only one lander.
Is it that bad?
You don't need to be a technician to see that Beetle's lost his buzz.
That's unfortunate. I'm taking Hopper out of here. I'll send it directly to the camp as soon as we find a suitable landing zone.
We've gotten out of worse than this. Equipment breaks from time to time, that's normal. But now,
Go ahead. What's bothering you?
this lack of communication. It takes too long. Especially considering there's a cyberneticist amongst them.
Yes, it worries me too.
Du coup, au bout de quelques temps, il n'y a plus de com avec eux. Ils ont envoyé Yasna pour essayer de voir ce qui se passait. Et là, sur la route, je vais perdre conscience et la mémoire. Apparemment, je vais prendre un coup sur la tête. Quand même méga classe, hein.
Whoa. Damn. You were right, Cobble. It's beautiful here.
Un soleil rouge se lève. Beaucoup de sang a dû couler cette nuit. Merci Legolas. Qu'est-ce que c'est ce petit panneau là?
I have an object in sight. This is where they searched the ocean's biocenosis.
Meaning, oh, where they caught that fish, right?
Yeah. They stopped here first, then walked along the coastline northward.
Correct. But I think you might consider taking a shortcut towards the east, straight to the camp.
Copy that. Heading east. They stopped for a break.
How do you know? Are there any signs of the crew?
Dégueulasse!
Some slob left litter here. Had no respect for an alien ecosystem at all.
Mais ça mérite des baffes ça!
What kind of litter?
Cigarette butt. A crumpled pack.
So, taking off the helmet for no good reason. Risk of igniting a dusty atmosphere. Irresponsible spreading of DNA. Compared to this, the damage of an already extinct ecosystem is basically a negligible issue.
Security procedures exist for humans. The rule of integrity is for the sake of everything alien to us. We shouldn't place one above the other.
You say yes. The mission and the safety of our people have the highest priority. Always.
Always? Are we really that self-righteous?
Of course, Doctor. We must be the most important to ourselves. And they must be the most important to themselves. Whoever they will be. In the end, the strongest will survive. Isn't that how evolution works?
Not in a biological sense, Astrogator. Besides, I'm not convinced if we should interfere with everything alien to us just because we can.
Doctor, interference is at the heart of human nature. Man would still be a monkey if he'd only looked at trees instead of cutting them down.
Yes, we have a nasty nature. I can't argue with that.
Elle a le jugement facile hein, pour une scientifique.
Can you please confirm that I'm on the correct route?
Yes, I confirm. This rate will reach the camp within an hour.
Ah, je peux pas.
Found a convenient passage.
Excellent. Please speed ahead. We still have a long road to go.
Well then, you should save your breath, Astrogator. Astrogator, I found a peculiar inorganic structure. It looks like some spiky metal growths.
Artificial plants? Is spontaneous growth possible with this type of structure?
Oh, I've never seen anything like this. I wish I had time to run some tests.
When the situation is stabilized,
Ok.
I feel nauseous. Suddenly.
please don't push it. Been on the surface for just under half an hour.
That's not it. I feel darkness. Hang on.
Du coup, c'est le contact avec les plantes qui m'a fait perdre la mémoire. Yasna ne trouve pas Groski à sa dernière position connue. Elle poursuit ses recherches dans une zone où la couverture radio devient faible. Les membres de l'équipage prennent une photo souvenir devant un organisme aquatique vivant. Avant la perte de contact radio, la sonde de la communauté n'a rien détecté d'étrange, hormis un champ magnétique plus fort. Dr Yasna est envoyé sur la planète par l'astrogator Novik afin de trouver l'équipage. En cherchant ses compagnons, Yasna découvre des buissons métalliques. Soudain, elle est paralysée par un terrible mal de tête, complètement étourdie. Elle trébuche et tombe d'une falaise. Il existe en effet des plantes qui font perdre la mémoire au Babacool. Quand tu trouves des plantes métalliques sur une autre planète, il faut pas les fumer, hein. C'est pas la première chose à faire.
Are you there? Over. I guess that's a no.
Yasna se souvient avoir déjà vu ce genre de buisson métallique tout au début de sa mission, juste avant son accident et sa perte de mémoire.
What's going on, sir? Astrogator?
Dr. Yasna, I tried to resuscitate him, but
No, please. Koval?
Dr. Krauter,
How? There was nothing wrong with him.
hypothermic shock. He bled out during the flight.
I still don't
Oh, no.
understand. He wasn't hurt.
His injuries must have occurred later. I found him like this when I entered Hopper.
I'm sorry. It's on me. It's my fault.
No, Doctor. As commander, I take full responsibility.
But it was me that left him.
On my order, you're too hard on yourself, as usual.
If only I...
Stop it, really. Please, stop. If is a very cruel word. You don't deserve its torment.
Guess I know where Gorska was going. I confirm, Gorski was here. His rope is still hanging from the slope.
That's a good sign. Since he left it, he intends to come back this way.
But why hasn't he yet?
Bon, par contre,
Going down after him.
ça sent mauvais quand même.
Tell me one thing, sir. What did you do with Crowter's body?
I placed him in a cryochamber.
Are you gonna use a grave tapper?
Yes, I'm considering that as a possibility. What is your opinion? Should we look into that hence?
The more we learn, the better chance we have to help Koval.
Oh là 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 là.
Oh, I'm at the end of the rope.
Isn't that good?
Not at all.
What do you mean?
I'm stuck. I'm hanging with all my weight on the rope, away from the wall. There's still a fair few meters left to the ground.
J'en ai une autre de corne.
Using just my hands, strapped with all this extra weight? No, not a chance.
What if you sway?
No good. I can't reach anything.
Any other ideas?
I can just jump off.
Is that safe?
A substantial fall on unsteady ground. This is hardly a maneuver that I would describe as safe.
So let's take a moment to analyze the situation.
I'm thinking, if Gorski went down this way and didn't break anything...
Yeah, we don't know that, Yasna. He could keep going even with injuries.
Well, I'm not hanging here forever, if we still haven't come up with anything.
There is a certain possibility, or rather uncertain, but maybe it's worth trying.
Astrogator, as much as I love complex analysis, I'm really sick of all this hanging.
Yes, of course. Can you see the probe?
Yes. It's flying near me.
Good. If I instructed it to fly as close as possible to you, you could grab onto it.
You sure it will hold me?
Ça ralentira ma chute.
All right. Let's give it a try.
I'm entering the instruction. You must guide me.
J'espère juste qu'on va pas la perdre.
1 meter forward. I can't reach it. A bit closer, please.
Allez, un petit effort. Bah voilà.
You could say so. I fell from a lower height. It was a soft landing, though.
Elle a pris un petit coup, je crois. Hein. Yasna a trouvé la corde de Gorski. Elle descend à l'aide de celui-ci, mais à quelques mètres au-dessus du sol. Elle n'a pas le choix et décide de descendre sur la sonde, suivant le conseil de Novik. Après un petit poc, la sonde. C'est dommage les petites pertes de framerate que j'ai. Pourtant, je suis sur PS5.
We had our last contact with Regis a few minutes after noon. Even then, Dr. Gorski was walking alone. Communications blew up shortly before he got here. He didn't take a tent.
Damn. What is this place? It makes my skin crawl. It's all made up of these structures. Except they don't look like creations of nature anymore.
Maybe that's why Dr. Gorski, not to mention the Alliance.
Well, if we're looking for something on this planet, this could be it. These structures form entire multi-story complexes. They look like a city.
You say that
No. There's no point in jumping to conclusions yet. I can't even see the bottom.
the structures go that deep?
Yes. I dread to think. What if Dr. Gorski fell down there?
I took that into account when calibrating the probe. It will examine the bottom. I'll let you know if I find him.
Left or right? Dr. Gorski set up the flags.
So he kept going, despite the lack of communication with the rest.
You'd have to see it with your own eyes, sir. This place. Gorski may have lost himself in his discovery.
Are you joking, Doctor? Lost himself, Gorski. He may not have respect for the unknown, but he has his feet firmly on the ground. Should be looking for a way back by now.
I think he must have discovered something. And since he suffers from excessive ambition, he's capable of stupid acts in the name of a breakthrough. Are you receiving a signal?
What signal?
From Dr. Gorski.
No, none. Why are you asking?
He tried to open up a connection, set up a transmitter.
There's nothing on the comms, but I'll check the record history. Please give me a moment.
The height of the entire complex is over 100 meters, even 150.
And all made of this metal.
To a significant degree. Is something were to live here?
Yes?
It would have to be very small, like insects. On the other hand, there's no flora around to support such organisms.
Have you chosen where to go?
I'm still wondering.
There's no time to hesitate, Doctor. We need to take decisive action.
C'est bon, hein, le jeu m'a happé avec son mystère. Hein.
Huh?
That's all Gorski has left of oxygen, at best.
And at worst?
He's just finishing it up. Though it all depends on his activity.
If I remember correctly, there is a risk of methane poisoning.
That's right. According to Dr. Krauter, negative symptoms can appear after an hour. Maybe after a few hours. I think he'll find Gorski by then.
Let's hope so. These constructions don't have a clear division into functions. They're huge, complicated, and uniform at the same time.
Do you have any idea where all this could have come from? I'm aware without tests you can't do much. But let's say on first inspection.
It's hard for me to imagine that any biological forms could survive here. The interiors of these structures are filled to the brim with wires and rods. So maybe this metal builds up somehow, by itself.
Oh. You've already said something similar before. Just after landing, when you found those books.
Oh. Yes, right. Ah, I see the probe. Is everything all right with it?
Not quite. The overload protection is activated. Until I do a reset, it's on manual control.
Is it because of my flight?
No, it's possible, but please don't worry about it. What matters is that you're fine.
Après, si je perds la sonde, c'est un peu galère pour moi quand même.
Oh, I see the cover snap right off.
Ah, yes. There's an error in the logs.
Wouldn't it be better if I helped you? I can close it manually after all.
I'd need some directions first. How to bring it to you.
No problem, I'm on it.
First, let's find a place where I can land it. Otherwise, you won't be able to help me, Doctor.
There. I found the right place.
All right, then. I'm waiting for instructions.
Let's see. Please rotate the probe 180 degrees. "10 meters forward." Turn 15 degrees to the right and 5 meters forward.
Pas mal.
more meters to the right. 2 meters forward. Land.
Tout doux, tout doux. On va te réparer, ma belle.
How's the terrain? Those structures, are they still everywhere?
Yep. Wherever I look, there's metal.
Je peux pas y aller un peu moins bourrin? Appuyer dessus comme un gros bourrin? On va la péter!
Oh, don't be angry.
It's not anger, it's a warning sign.
I know. You're welcome, Luna.
Choupette! C'est la mascotte un peu, Luna. On dirait un barbecue. C'est vrai que c'est un design intéressant quand même. Bon, t'es en forme? On y va?
It's a bit like Pando. A colony of populous tremoloids. American aspen. The new trees grow not from seeds, but from rootsuckers of old trees. As a result, it's one giant organism, thousands of years old.
So you're in a dead metal forest.
Huh, that does sound bizarre. Though maybe.
Doctor, something has been recorded after all. Though there are plenty of errors in the transmission header. It's hard to say whether this is a message for Gorski.
Well then, sir, play it. Maybe we'll finally find out what's going on with the doctor.
Let's hope so.
Gorski to base. I repeat, this is Gorski. Base, come in.
No doubt, it's him. Well, let's keep listening. But as soon as you report anything, Doctor, I'll stop the recording.
Bugger. No confirmation again. I report. I've made an amazing discovery. Geometric structure. These are bushy, pointed roots and slats. Mostly iron, but not only. Molybdenum, carbon, tungsten, altogether similar to a giant integrated circuit. A million swarm of tangled cables. Not a trace of electric current, polarity, not even residual magnetism. Maybe once upon a time, centuries ago, petawatts or exawatts of power flowed this way. To compare with something, it's probably a machine. Some kind of information collective structure. Maybe it was some kind of electronic brain. It makes me think of the Lyrans, a race of extinct sentient beings. Supposedly, they knew about light astrogation before we invented the wheel. They had to save themselves from the explosion of Nova. They sent ships. The remains of those ships have been found, ashed to a chip glued together. I've seen hypothetical schematics. The structures here remind me of those. Okay, moving on. Readings.
Well, that's it. What follows is just a humming noise. Any thoughts, Doctor?
So far, it all leads to one conclusion. This is not a place for a man, nor for any humanoids.
Then who is it for?
Maybe it's really an alien technology. Those Lyrans.
As far as I know, all information about the Lyran civilization is just guesswork. Many consider Lyrans to be just a myth, so I wouldn't take it too seriously.
Well, I think there might be something to it.
By the way, you were right, Doctor. Gorski did lose himself in this discovery, in spite of everything.
I can see the relay up close. Looks broken. This is starting to look like a deliberate diversion to me.
You may be right. The question is, who's behind all these disruptive activities?
That I don't know, sir.
Mais je peux pas interagir avec ça. Du coup, on va où après? Je peux pas traverser le pont. Quelle tristesse. Peut-être pas encore. Peut-être qu'il faut que j'aille de l'autre côté à bord. Ça, c'est quand même méga classe visuellement, hein.
There are more traces. This time handprints. And a drop detector.
Did I hear you right?
Yes, sir. You heard correctly. I'm afraid we must be ready for any eventuality.
Yeah, well, that doesn't mean we should assume the worst. I still believe you'll find him, Doctor.
Ce serait cool qu'on sauve au moins une personne dans le jeu. Je commence à en avoir marre de toujours trouver tout le monde mort. Surtout soi-même. Terrible.
I found something. Again.
Il a laissé tomber son détecteur.
More of the same stuff. Gorski's things. More traces. Fine. Actions devoid of logic.
Back in the camp, you reported Marrett's abandoned things.
A backpack and a journal, yes. This scene looks disturbingly similar.
Ah, c'est fermé. Comment j'y vais là-bas? Je peux pas récupérer des trucs. Bon, Gorski, t'es où?
Finally, I have its position.
Pas le tout, mais tu m'as fait courir, hein.
Not yet.
Un vrai gamin.
Gorski, are you here? It's me, Yasna.
Still nothing.
Yeah. I found his backpack. You know what that means, sir?
Yes, he's without oxygen. We must hurry.
Gorski, t'es où?
Oh, there he is.
Ah.
I see him. Got him. He's not moving.
Oula, oula, oula. Il respire. Mets-lui une bonne tarte.
His eyes are closed.
Is he breathing?
He's alive, but barely.
Did he react in any way?
No reaction. By my count, it's that stupor again.
Just like the others.
Gorski! Come on!
Calm down, Doctor. Get him out of there. The probe's already looking for a landing site.
Bon. Allez, zou. Allez.
Okay. Let me just... I'm pulling him out.
On va pas laisser un si joli bouc sur cette planète.
He's out.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce
I
bouton?
activated his
Ah,
SOS.
d'accord.
You should pick up a transmission with his parameters, sir. Well,
No, nothing. The transmitter in the suit must be too weak.
should I retrieve his booster from the backpack?
No, no point. Better to set up a relay. We have to do it anyway so the hopper can land in this maze. Have a preliminary scan of your surroundings. There's an open area nearby. You have to move Gorski there. The probe will guide you.
But he's not stable. I must share my oxygen with him, Astrogator.
You'd need a spare for that. The protocol doesn't provide for connecting two suits at the same time.
In that case, I'll give him my tank.
Negative. I won't allow it, Yasna. If you faint, the doctor won't carry you.
C'est vrai. Il a totalement raison. Et je crois que je peux pas revenir en arrière par contre.
The membrane looks intact.
What did you say? I didn't hear.
Bon,
In the lander, my
on
friend.
va écouter le...
I'll hook you up in the lander.
I still can't hear you, Doctor.
It's nothing, Astrogator. Only static.
Je pense que l'astrogator il a raison sur ce coup. En gros, si moi je tombe, on est morts tous les deux, alors que si je garde l'oxygène pour moi, il y a une chance qu'on s'en sorte tous les deux. Allez, on se casse. Allez, Luna. En plus, il faut que je le porte. Zozo. Heureusement
Are you
qu'elle est là,
out
Yasna.
already?
Sort of. Yes.
Once you set up the transmitter, I should start receiving.
Installer le relais. Attends, mais il va pas atterrir là, le machin. C'est sûr que ça va se casser la gueule. Oh, le plan à 2 balles.
There it is. Pulse, heart rate, saturation, almost within the range. What was that?
I don't know. Everything is shaking. No! No! I caught the probe. I'm... Fuck! I'm flying.
J'appelle pas ça voler. J'appelle ça tomber avec panache.
What was that?
Bon, du coup, Egorski. Ouais, parce que du coup,
I'm underground.
si on lui avait
It's
donné...
hard to determine my exact location.
Bien joué, Optimat. Tu perds pas une occasion, t'as bien raison. Si on lui avait donné l'oxygène, on serait tombé là sans la bouteille. Ça aurait été la méga panade. Yasna découvre des structures métalliques particulières. Elle décide d'appeler cet endroit la ville. Le vol à dos de sonde a endommagé cette dernière. Yasna aide Novik à réparer la machine. Après des recherches éprouvantes, Yasna finit par trouver Gorski. Cependant, il est immobilisé, blessé et inconscient. Au bout d'un moment, elle remarque également qu'il manque d'oxygène. Yasna décide de garder son propre oxygène et de transporter Gorski rapidement vers un endroit où Novik passera le chercher avec le vaisseau d'atterrissage. Yasna déploie ses transmetteurs nécessaires à l'atterrissage. Soudain, le sol s'effondre sous ses pieds et Yasna tombe dans les profondeurs de la ville. Est-ce qu'il y a des pages qu'on a loupées? Oui, il y a ça qu'on n'a pas lu. Crota, transporté jusqu'au vaisseau d'atterrissage par Artie, meurt malheureusement. Il a subi un terrible accident juste après que Yasna ait quitté le camp. La réaction du robot a pris trop de temps pour que la machine s'occupe de Crota. Tout le monde est mort. Je sais pas si c'est le genre de jeu où on peut sauver tout le monde si on agit comme il faut.
Base, come in. I'm sending an SOS. Anyone, please. Okay. Stay calm. Just keep it together.
Très bien, Yasna. Hein. Un bon perso. Hein.
Heartbeat's racing, but saturation hasn't dropped below the tissue norm. Not yet, at least. Deposit of water, probably unsafe for consumption. I'd rather not risk it.
À un moment, il va bien falloir boire un coup. Hein.
Too deep. Let's hope it's not fossil. Shit.
Ah zut. On est dans la gadoue.
Slippery terrain. Poor visibility.
Qu'est-ce que je disais?
Considering all factors, situation hopeless. At least I got flares. Oh, come on. Gotta be kidding me.
Il vaut peut-être mieux pas foutre le feu, parce qu'on sait pas dans quoi on crapahute hein, quand même. Un petit coup de grisou là, boum. Y a plus de Yasna.
Okay. Careful.
Oui, ça glisse. Aucune chance, aucun espoir, précipice, passage étroit.
I can't. I just can't.
Mais non, reprends-toi Yasna. Ça va aller, ça va aller.
That's my considered opinion. Fucked.
Je l'aime beaucoup. J'aime beaucoup Yasna.
Novik? If the radio is still receiving. Oh, there's hope. I can't be too far underground. I need to act fast.
Base, I repeat,
I hear you.
this is Novik here.
But you don't. Apparently.
5th day of the mission.
Bollocks. I think I preferred it the other way round.
Sans communication radio avec Novik, Yasna tente de remonter à la surface.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming to you, Astrogator.
Allez, tout doux, tout doux. On lâche rien. On passe là-dedans? Avec le sac à dos et tout?
Astrogator. Astrogator? Still nothing. I used to find all the reporting annoying.
Ah, par contre, je suis vraiment archi fan de la voix de Yasna.
Dark thoughts creep in. Dr. Gorski may already be dead. Something attacked me. And it could have got to him too. I hope you're monitoring his vitals, Astrogator. And we'll come back for him. Unless I die here.
Mais non! On peut pas se laisser tuer comme ça.
I think it's his way.
Les crapahutes.
I can't stop. Did you really say that?
Oh là, je crois qu'on commence à perdre la boule. Non, 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 non. Non, on glisse pas. On
I've
continue.
had enough.
Ah non, hein. Reprends-toi, hein.
Enough. Okay. Forward. Faster. We're racing against time, Yasna. We're fighting for our lives. Enough of this nonsense. I can't keep fighting.
Bien sûr que tu peux te battre.
I'm going crazy with this radio. It works. It doesn't work. It works a little. Very funny. You know, I did what I could, but it still wasn't enough. I have the right to finally give up.
Non,
No. Not yet.
je ne serai jamais tombé.
I will not give up. I'll just...
Non, 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 même pas une pause. Allez, zou.
2 days, 48 hours.
Huh? What?
That's how long I can wait before I have to fly away. I could also break all the rules. All procedural. Cobble to set a few. One life above the other. And most likely condemn us all. Nevertheless, I'm inclined to do so.
Allez.
Of course you wouldn't let me die in peace. I can handle... I will not give up.
Si c'est Sud Radio, dans quelle marche plus. Des positions engagées chez Opsimat. C'est bien, c'est bien.
Too bad you can't hear me. Oh, wow. I don't believe my eyes.
T'es une grosse bête quand même.
Bones of some prehistoric reptile. And coal deposits, I assume. Finally, we have proof. There was life on the surface of Regis 3. Millions of years ago. But for some reason now there's nothing. Not even bacteria or viruses. I'm starting to suspect that someone or something forces life into the water. Perhaps preventing it from moving ashore. If so, I think it's still happening today. The question is, have I encountered this thing already? Novik, do I really hear you? Or is my mind playing tricks on me?
I don't know.
Me too. What if something's waiting out there for me? Something that caused my fall? No. Don't hesitate. I will die if I stay here. A way out. Astrogator. I'm close. Damn it. I was sure he would hear me this time.
Hear me, Asta.
I'm coming!
Unfortunately, it might be too late. But I hope you can...
Mais... Petit con, je suis là. Pars pas sans moi.
Yes. I'm getting your SOS.
Ah, voilà.
Astrogator, I'm here. Over.
Yes. You can't even imagine. It's really good to hear your voice again, Doctor.
Sir, I've heard you all the way.
Yes, sir. So, what?
I don't quite understand myself.
What? Let's leave that for now. Are you injured in any way?
No.
Yes. Are you there? Do you copy?
What kind of deadly shit is this?
Doctor, what are you talking about?
There's something here. It looks like a machine. It burned a hole in the wall. And now it's marching all these kind of crab legs.
Damn. You must evacuate immediately.
Ouais, ça me va comme plan.
It sounds like you know what it is, sir.
Well, I have my suspicions. One of the flagship machines of the Alliance would match the description.
I think it's moving away from me.
Excellent. Don't stop yet, though. The greater the distance between you and this machine, the better.
How is it possible that the Alliance machine got here before us?
I'd like to know myself. If our intel's incorrect, I mean, Vince can already landed on Regis 3.
I can see a passage, but it doesn't look very inviting.
Oh.
Shit! I'm still here. I have to... I'm stuck. I can't move.
Comment ça, t'es coincé?
It's getting closer. It's gonna crush me. I've got nowhere to run.
Luna!
I'm
Adorable bébête.
Come in! Yasna, we must evacuate you. I'm getting parameters, pulse, saturation. Please confirm you're there.
I'm okay. The probe did something. As if... I don't know.
I saw the readings. Gave a distress signal and then followed a series of directives that I didn't implement. Currently, it does not respond to commands.
I'll check on it. I guess it's busted for good. I found a box. Also a
C'est
switch.
prudent de jouer avec ça.
Probably from the registry. Can you get the record?
Let's see. You guessed right, sir. The Alliance is indeed already on the planet. They even managed to set up a field base.
How could headquarters have got it so wrong? According to intelligence, the Invincible is not due to arrive for another 14 days.
I guess we should ask them back home.
Quand les êtres humains voient un bouton rouge, ils appuient dessus. On peut pas s'en empêcher. C'est comme ça. C'est tout. Surtout s'il y a écrit ne pas appuyer juste à côté. Là, c'est sûr, on appuie.
That's me. Wow. It really did almost flatter me. Probe. It distracted the antimat.
You say that as if it did it on purpose.
Ouais, elle l'a fait, une purpose.
How else to explain it?
Coincidence?
I don't believe in such coincidences, Astrogator.
Par contre, du coup, elle est morte de chez morte. Luna, c'était ma seule copine.
Not much left of it.
The probe was broadcasting a while ago, so maybe we can save its call.
You could say that since I found the probe, I haven't been alone.
I'm sorry, Yasna. Maybe it can still be rebuilt. Anyway, you're not entirely alone.
I feel like I've lost another companion. My last one.
You still have me.
Not down here.
On va récupérer le noyau. T'inquiète, Luna. On
Okay,
sort de là.
it cooled down.
Are you talking about the probe core?
Well, they say in order to win over a person, you have to steal their heart. But the key is to get their brain.
Yasna parvint à reprendre contact avec Novik. Dans la ville, Yasna rencontre un énorme robot, canon d'antimatière sur pattes appartenant à l'Alliance. Yasna tente de se faufiler derrière la machine, mais celle-ci l'a détecté et parvient à s'échapper par miracle. Yasna trouve des informations concernant la base de l'Alliance. Malgré les dégâts irréparables subis par la sonde qui s'est sacrifiée pour Yasna, la scientifique décide de récupérer le cerveau électronique de la machine.
You know that's just a metaphor.
Anatomically incorrect and highly overused, yes. Okay. Time to get out of here.
Et du coup, il pleut. Sur cette planète, il peut pleuvoir du coup.
You simply don't get a break.
What is it this time?
Stormfront is approaching your location.
Now of all times.
I know, Doctor.
C'est la tempête.
Please muster up a little more strength.
since I'm nearby their troops.
It's hard to call them specific. We need to learn more.
You're missing the most important thing, sir. We still have to save Gorski. I don't know what your silence means.
Il est mort lui aussi.
I was going to tell you
Oh là
later.
là, mais tout le monde crève.
Sorry.
What?
His readings.
No. You don't have to finish. I understand.
You did what you could.
No. I did what I thought was right.
Come on, Doctor. He didn't die due to lack of oxygen. He bled out, likely from the fall.
Enough! I've heard enough. By the way, how long have we been out?
It's the longest 20 minutes of my life, give or take.
I heard you some of the time. This time we were cut off the other way. In one place in particular, I had a pretty clear transmission.
I'm listening.
Yeah, you said that you would break the rules for me. Oh, damn it! The storm's getting worse. So I heard right.
Yes, but the rules have little to do with it, Yasna. It's rather common sense. I would definitely send Artie for you. But would I go alone? I don't know. I hate to admit it, but in my current condition, I would be more of a burden than a help on the ground.
C'est vrai qu'il est blessé. Vous savez quoi? On va peut-être s'arrêter là.
Approaching the vehicle.
Any damage?
Hard to tell. Looks like it's been stuck here for a while. The light inside works.
Hop. Attendez, on va... Il n'y a pas de save. Donc là, du coup, si je mets continuer, ça reprend où? Ah oui, il y a une gestion par chapitre. Oui, désolé, ça fait un petit live, mais je suis vraiment crevé. J'étais malade pendant ces 3 derniers jours. Du coup, on va s'arrêter là. Parfait, on reprend juste là.